Okay, got the lights done. I'll say it again real quick. This was my poor man's solution to recessed lighting. The electrical, there is none in this. These are battery powered puck lights. They're not these ones, these are colored ones. I got a white, obviously white ones. Same idea, same size, Amazon, $17. Battery powered puck lights. I cut a hole in the styrofoam, pushed them in, had somebody print 3D custom trim pieces. They're an 1/8 inch deep, 2.5 inches on the inner diameter, 4.5 on the outer. It's an inch ring around. These are, look like that. Okay, I just forgot to film this part, but all I did was attach it to the camper with these galvanized steel clamp things. I had to bend these ones straight. This is just a PVC pipe spray painted brown. That's a pipe cap on there. I used 2, and then the metal galvanized steel pipe is in there. And you can see, because this pipe, the PVC part, is mounted into the camper, that this sleeve, that's just inside of it. And this is 1 1/4 inch pipe, and this is 1 1/4 inch. So you're able to slide this in, and then it can swivel. And then when I'm driving, I could take the top off, push the pipe over here. I'll probably need like a strap or something to hold it so it doesn't swing out. This wasn't my idea. Again, I think I've mentioned that before, but I'll put a link to the original creator's video in the description. Easy peasy, stoked on it, super simple. Sometimes that's all you need. Okay, my battery died on the finishing of this install. It did not come out nearly as pretty as I hoped it did. There's these seams which are not supposed to be there. This is an inch thick cork board, which was way less pliable than I thought it would be. So, I mean, nothing in here is perfect, so I'm just gonna hide these hang things on here to kind of hide those seams. And then in terms of window treatment, I don't really know what I'm gonna do there, but that's that. You can also see how well the lights are working. Pretty freaking dope. So yeah, that's the cork board. I'll throw some pins in just so you can see how that works.